How to fix YouTube playback speed not working on Android. This tutorial covers the most common causes and how to get speed controls working again. First, open the YouTube app on your Android device and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. At this point, if the connection isn't the issue, long press the YouTube app icon from your home screen or app drawer. Following this, tap App Info. From here, tap Storage. At this stage, tap Clear Cache to remove any temporary files that could be interfering with playback controls. Following this, back out and tap Force Stop. From here, tap OK to confirm. At this stage, if the issue continues, go back into Storage and tap Clear Data instead. Keep in mind, clearing data will sign you out, so make sure you know your login details before continuing, and confirm when prompted. Following this, scroll down within App Info and tap App Details in Store to check if an update is available, and install it if there is one. From here, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears, and tap Restart to fully refresh your device. Finally, open YouTube and check whether the playback speed option is working properly on a video now. That's how you fix YouTube playback speed not working on Android. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!